Welcome everyone. Let's get into the story. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Once upon a time, there was a young farmer named Tom who owned a small piece of land that he used to grow crops. He was always searching for ways to earn more money from his farm, and he thought that catching birds and selling them in the market could be a good way to make some extra cash. One day, Tom set out early in the morning with his son and a net to venture into the forest to catch birds. After a few hours, he managed to capture a beautiful bird in the net. As he was about to head back home, he noticed two more birds perched on a nearby bush. Tom thought to himself, if I capture those two birds, I can sell three birds in the market and earn more money. So he decided to go after the two birds on the bush. However, as he approached the bush, the two birds flew away. To his dismay, he realized that he had also lost the bird he had caught earlier. Disappointed, Tom returned home empty handed. Tom realized his mistake and regretted not being content with the bird he had caught earlier. He understood that he should have been satisfied with what he had and not have pursued more than he could handle. From that day on, Tom focused on making the most of what he had and not becoming greedy. The incident taught Tom a valuable lesson that sometimes it is better to be content with what you have rather than risking it all for something more. After all, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Moral: be content with what you have. Thanks for watching.